Okay, I'm gonna try driving slowly so we can get these. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There's. Let's see if I can zoom it without messing it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. Oh, that would be a good picture later. But there's 5 or 6. There's some in front of that tree, right in front of me, right there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, don't be blurry. This was worth the wait. Whoops, let's go up here. So some geese. Okay, I want to get some pictures from this side. This was worth it.